Julie's World vlog. I'm sorry, that was probably painful. So hello. This week is super fun. There's, of course, as there always will be until maybe September, house renovation news. And then there's a trip to New York to watch my brother run the New York City Half Marathon. And I want to let you know that I am teaching an in-person class on April 6th. It's called Collage Faces, and I'll include a link so that if you want to sign up, you can. But it's a full day, 6 hours of instruction with an hour break for lunch. And I really hope you'll join me because it's going to be lots of fun. So that's in the Boston area, by the way. Thanks so much. I brought over this game and we just played Azul. What did you think of it, Mom?
Well, since I won both times, it's great.
Technically, we played 4 games, and actually I won twice and you won twice, but okay.
So who didn't win? Is there someone who didn't win?
3 games. You won once, and your mother won twice.
Did we really? I thought we played 4 games. We didn't play 2 games? Oh, okay. But who didn't win at all?
Yeah, well, I was strategizing for the next time.
Okay. So Mom and I recorded a new podcast today, and someone told me in my vlog comments that I should mention that on the vlog, that we still do podcasts. So if you're in the car and you want a little fix of Julie and her mom or a little bit of art talk, you can listen to the Adventures in Arting podcast. Also, as a side note, I spent the entire day Googling why my mic right here wasn't working, and then it turns out I didn't plug it in properly. Of course. Steve, I see you made me breakfast.
I did.
It's an egg star. Pretty cute little. Good job.
These kind of slivers of color are moments from flags from around the world. And actually, you might want to share a little bit about
Think too short?
Probably.
So don't even try them?
Probably not.
Day 2 in New York City, and we are headed to pick up my brother's bib for the half marathon. We're going to take some embarrassing family photos of him getting his bib. There's nothing quite like embarrassing your younger brother. And then we are headed to ABC Home, which is my fantasy shopping, I mean serious fantasy shopping if I had all the money in the world. But I'm going to get some good ideas and figure out how to decorate our house. And then we're going to dinner, and dinner is Peking duck. So all in all, another fabulous day in New York City. I'm never running a half marathon.
Why not?
Because I'm out of shape and old.
of mine. I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine. I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine. I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
What'd you say?
Sing. I said it may be a bench, but I think of it like a stage.
All right, Julie, get out of the chair. Exaggerating.
Where'd she go? I'm not exaggerating. This is like
So you got out of
awkward.
it.
That was so awkward. Fine.
Easy peasy.
Cheater. We are ready to go and cheer my brother on for the half marathon. We've got our coffee, we've got our sweaters, we're good to go. Hey Mom, what are you doing?
I'm waiting for Matthew.
Go, Matt! Come
Good job! Congratulations!
Oh, thank you so much. Oh. Oh. Thanks for coming out. It was nice to see you guys. Gave me a little
Little extra
push,
energy.
little push for the end.
There's a croissant here for you.
Oh, I like
Chocolate chip cookie.
Oh, okay.
And cookies. Where would you like to start?
Well, let's take a picture of you first, huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Where would you like?
Just use that, right?
Oh, that cape is flying.
Julie, you have to see
Oh, you got
this
some.
in-
Yeah.
Julie, you're gonna want to film this.
Maybe. There's a salad coming. Salad. You can cut it yourself if you want.
Yeah.
The pancake is really good.
The pancakes look.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.